This is Germany's newest car factory, a sprawling Tesla production site near Berlin. The American company hopes to start production of the Model Y car here before the end of the year. But the company might face the same problem that has hit German companies hard: disrupted global supply chains that are slowing down production.
The problem is severe. 8 out of 10 companies across all sectors are reporting that they've been hit. And what is especially problematic is that nearly 50% of all companies say that because of delivery bottlenecks in important materials, raw materials, industrial products, they have had to decline contracts or slow down production.
It is, of course, a global problem, but the German economy is global like few others.
The German economy is internationally connected, like no other national economy of a similar size. Our export quota is around 50% of the gross national product. In Japan, for example, it's not even 20%. So of course, in a situation like this, it makes us vulnerable.
Germany's economy is often called the engine of Europe, and the hope was that after the corona pandemic's grip on the world economy loosened, that engine would quickly shift into gear. But the supply chain problems have thrown sand into those gears.
The delivery bottlenecks are a problem for recovery. We are in recovery, but it is significantly slower than it could have been.
If this situation gets worse over the winter, then a slowing recovery will coincide with political change. Well, industrial production and exports are hugely important to the German economy, and if supply chains are disrupted, then that could threaten the entire German economy. And that's coming at the same time as a new government is likely to take over very soon. This is Jonah Kalgren, Euronews, Berlin.